With our bocce courts now open and regularly enjoyed by our members, it's important we all do our part to keep them in top shape. The most important step? Brushing the courts at the end of your time slot. It's quick, simple, and keeps the game enjoyable for everyone. Begin by taking the brush, located on the left side of the courts, to the end of the court. Place the brush at the end and, with a gentle and steady motion, pull it across the court from one side to the other. Carefully step out of the court, stopping just before the drain. Then, using a gentle push away from the drain, redistribute the top layer of material evenly. Repeat this process in the opposite direction. Be careful not to overgroom near the drains or push sand into them. Before returning the brush to its rack, please remove any debris left on it. Every bit of care helps keep our courts in perfect playing condition. With just a few simple steps, you can help keep our bocce ball courts in top condition for everyone to enjoy. Thank you for doing your part in helping us maintain a great playing experience for all our members.